Hi, my name is Sabrina Moore. I coordinate a citizen science program called GLOBE in Ireland, which focuses on the understanding of the environment. I'm very excited to tell you about our air quality campaign because I think you will like it. First, it's simple to run. Second, it will give you accurate data about air pollution in your area. And third, it can lead to very interesting research projects for your students. The air pollutant we're focusing on is nitrogen dioxide, or NO2. You probably come across it on a regular basis. This is the nasty smell that you get from the exhaust of cars and trucks and buses. The nitrogen dioxide is poisonous to humans as well as animals and plants. So it's important for us to study it, especially at a time when we see it increasing in urban centers in Ireland and other cities in the world. The objectives of the campaign are threefold. First, we want to increase awareness as well as the understanding of students about air pollution. Second, we want to collect data that is otherwise not available. It is not possible to deploy air monitoring stations on every street of a country. So the data you're going to collect very often is unique and has never been collected before. Third, we want to see whether participating into this campaign can have an impact on the mode of transportation that the students use or would like to use. This is the timeline of the project. It runs over 3 months to allow for first data collection, then the analysis by an expert lab, and finally to allow the students to analyze the database of all the results collected nationally and to produce a research poster. Obviously, we don't require your entire time over that period. On the contrary, you can dedicate the time that you want, but we will suggest activities to make sure your students get the most out of it and have a better understanding of air pollution and are excited to conduct a research project. This is the diffusion tube that we're using to measure NO2. It is very simple to use. It is cheap. We are providing those tubes for free to the participating schools in Ireland. But just so you know, they cost 15 euro per tube, including the analysis. And finally, they provide accurate results. The main limitation they have is that they give one average concentration over the period of measurement. So in our case, we measure for 4 weeks or a month. Unfortunately, I haven't yet come across a device that could give us a trend of air pollution throughout the day that would be both cheap and accurate. So for the time being, those passive samplers are our preferred mode of measurement. The students will pick 3 locations at their school, and those locations will have various exposure to traffic-related pollution because they will be positioned at various distances from the main road. So in the spring of 2019, we did exactly that with 30 schools, and we found that there was higher pollution near major roads. It was also clear that in most cases, NO2 levels were higher at the school gates. 12 research posters were created, and each had a unique perspective on the data set. We had really interesting analysis. For example, here, the school looked at topography and how it may have led to higher levels of pollutions near their school. And we had two lucky students who were invited to join a student globe conference in Detroit last summer, based on the excellence of their project. The feedback from teachers was extremely positive and also showed that our main objectives were fulfilled, i.e., the awareness of students and their understanding of air pollution was increased. And also they felt they had participated in a meaningful, hands-on scientific project. To find out more, please feel free to contact me. This project is made possible thanks to the Environmental Protection Agency of Ireland, who is providing funding as well as expertise when it comes to air pollution measurements. They are the agency responsible for monitoring air pollution in Ireland. Thank you.